Hi and welcome to the Colourworks How-To series. I'm Adam Samuel, Product Manager for Epson Colour Label Printers. We're here today to explore the Software Development Kits, SDKs, for iOS and Android, which opens up the world of tablet and phone printing directly to the C4000 and C6000 Colourworks printers. If you or your customer are interested in developing an Android or iOS app using our SDKs, you will need to contact your local sales rep. They will take some details of yourself or your customer and they will pass those to our Epson technical sales team. From there on, our technical sales department will be in contact to process your application. And once you are approved, they will share with you the SDK package. To show you what can be achieved, we have developed our own app. Let's take a look at it. Select your printing app. Search for the available printers. Select the C4000. Select the image you want to print. Open the settings menu. You can now select to adjust the paper size, print quality, or if you wish to cut or not cut. Press OK, and now we can print the label by pressing print. As you can see, it's very easy to use and quick to print. This will open up many different usage opportunities, such as kiosk with personalised labels or integration with weighing scales, so food producers can now have full colour labels and variable weight and pricing in one easy app. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.